When the sun goes down, we'll be grooving. When the sun goes down, we'll be feeling alright. When the sun sinks down over the water, everything gets hotter when the sun goes down. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is How to Play When the Sun Goes Down by Kenny Chesney on the ukulele. This is a fun song and it's perfect for ukulele. There's only 3 chords. First chord is an A. You're going to put your first finger on the C string, 1st fret. Your middle finger on the G string, 2nd fret. Play all 4. For the D chord, I'm going to cheat a little and play a D6. I'm just going to lay a finger all the way across the 2nd fret. You'll see me sometimes alternate my middle finger, my 1st finger. Just depends on whichever one's most handy. For the E chord, we're going to play an E7. First finger goes in the G string, 1st fret, middle finger, C string, 2nd fret, and the ring finger goes in the A string, 2nd fret. Again, play all 4. Now for the strumming, I'm going to take it a little faster so I can get a basic uke strumming. When the sun goes down, we'll be grooving. When the sun goes down, I'll be feeling alright. When the sun sinks down over the water, everything is hotter when the sun goes down. And there you have all the basic elements to play When the Sun Goes Down by Kenny Chesney. Don't forget to check below. There are links to other ukulele songs you might like to learn, as well as this big gray area. That's for your questions. If I've left something out, if you're confused, it's probably my fault. So please ask questions. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com. This has been part of the More Than, How to Play When the Sun Goes Down by Kenny Chesney on the ukulele. Thank you for watching. Everything gets hotter when the sun goes down.